start with a singing warm-up, guys. Okay, let's get ready to rumble. Da 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 da. La la loo la loo loo. Ba ba boo ba ba ba. Da 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 da. Do 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 do. Da do.
Dun boo.
Da do da da da. Beep 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 beep. Ba boo ba ba ba.
Doobie doop doop doo.
My name is Mercedes de Jesus and I am an improv facilitator for Barcelona Adventures. I do this because I am very passionate about working with people. I'm passionate about people working together to reach a goal. I'm passionate about people trying to come up with ideas and getting out of their comfort zone to be able to say what they have in their mind and express their ideas so that they feel heard and that their work is also being valued. And improv teaches us about collaboration, accepting, and working together. We do a lot of games where we get to know each other. We do a lot of games where we're listening to one another. We do games where we have to come up with ideas at the moment. So it means that you have to be present at all times. People are happier, they have more energy, they start having ideas, their brains start running, and they take a positive outlook back to their workplace when they're done.
You just feel like, okay, actually I'm not that ridiculous at all, and it helps me maybe to start moving better, to feel better with, like, you know, my own body, my gesture, my voice is different. Everything is actually improv because you don't think, you just do. And so that's why it's good. You're really in the present, in the moment. So I like that with improvisation.
I didn't know you can use it as a tool for team building. I can imagine, for example, in my office, it could be so much fun.
So I'm working for the Red Cross. I manage like a humanitarian center. So we have like different type of things happening every day, unexpected situation, and then you improvise from that, right? And you start to react a different way from a person to another and try to provide some help, some assistance, you know. So this is why improvisation in that case can really help.
I was that person that didn't want to speak. It was improv and team building activities that helped me improve my confidence as well as my team's confidence. It's a team together, everybody considers one another. You can see how progress is being made and you can improve your work environment.